how to use threads from IG. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads here. So first, you must be able to install your threads app. So let's go to the Play Store, and if you are done, just open it, and if you are in iOS, it is in App Store. So let us go and open our threads. So upon opening, you will be seeing this option right here where you can log in your Instagram. So for easy login, just connect your Instagram and log it in. And then in here you can customize or import from Instagram, but I prefer to skip for this one. It depends on yourself, and you can choose for public or private. And you can also follow the people here that are on Instagram that has threads. And let's go and join threads. So in threads here you will see very familiar setting. It is just like Twitter, where you can see people posting photos and texts and their thoughts. And in here you can search for people or other celebrities or artists. And then in the middle button you can start to creating your own thread, and in this heart button you can see all of the activities, just like follows and creating a threads. So you can see the replies and mentions, and then on the far right you can see your profile. You can see the threads and replies. You can also edit your profile here. So it is very simple, and you can see all of the followers. So, and in here in the home page you can interact with this post, and you can like, comment, or share and send the post to others, just like Instagram. And that's it for threads. So it is just like a clone of Twitter, and it is very easy to use and very straightforward. And you can also block or hide report the user with the three dots on the far right. And that is for the threads. So I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.